Welcome to our third Tech Explainer. Today, we're breaking down social engineering, a tactic used by cybercriminals to trick people like you and me. Imagine you receive an email that looks like it's from your bank. It asks you to urgently verify your account details, claiming suspicious activity. This is called phishing, a common social engineering technique. Cybercriminals use this method to trick you into revealing sensitive information, such as passwords or credit card numbers. They exploit your trust and fear to gain access to your personal data, often leading to identity theft or financial loss. Always be cautious and verify the source before responding. But it's not just emails. There are phone scams called vishing and even physical tricks like baiting, where attackers leave infected USB drives hoping someone will plug them in. Who do they target? Everyone. From individuals to large organizations, no one is safe from these scams. So how can you protect yourself from social engineering attacks? These attacks are designed to manipulate you into giving away sensitive information or performing actions that compromise your security. First, always verify the source of any communication you receive. If you get an unexpected message from your bank or any other institution, call them directly using a known number to confirm its authenticity. Second, check the links in emails or messages. Hover over them to see where they really lead before you click. This simple step can help you avoid phishing scams. Be especially cautious with links that seem out of place or come from unknown sources. Third, be skeptical of urgent requests. Scammers often create a sense of urgency to trick you into acting quickly without thinking. Always take a moment to verify the legitimacy of the request, even if it seems important. Remember, it's better to be safe than sorry. Remember, staying informed and cautious is your best defense against social engineering. Always question unexpected requests for information and verify sources before sharing personal details. Stay safe and stay cyber smart. Subscribe to Cybersolutions for more tips on how to stay secure online. You can protect yourself and your loved ones from cyber threats by staying vigilant and educated. Join our community and empower yourself with knowledge.